Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cordless Design Clipper. Achieve perfect fade is so easy when you have this professional clippers right here. The blade of the clipper is so sharp and precise, and it delivers accurate cut and trim all the time for you. At the same time, this clipper is also very easy and convenient to use as well. It comes with the lightweight and ergonomic handle to ensure comfortable and firm grip in hand. Plus, with the cordless design, using this clipper is so easy and simple. That is not all, its battery life is also great since you can use it for up to 2 hours per charge. That way you will be able to use it conveniently without worry about the battery running low at all. This professional clipper comes in a set that includes multifunctional attachments to ensure the most convenient experience possible. Great price with great quality, this is one of the best options that you should not overlook. Moving on, at number 4, we have the hair cutting kit clippers. The convenience is all yours when you have this versatile professional clipper right here. The cool thing is that you can use either with or without the cord, and the performance are both great. Its battery life lasts up to 3 hours and a half per charge, and you can also it while charging. On top of that, this clipper features the self-sharp stainless steel blades to ensure long-lasting sharpness. Another thing that we like about this tool is that its handle is anti-slip and comfortable to use. You can use it for hours, and you won't experience hand fatigue at all. This professional clipper also comes with LED display that you can easily see the battery life. That way, you will be able to know when to recharge this clipper right away, which is so convenient. There are 2 colors available, and the choice is all yours. At number 3, we have the professional cordless display. Since it functions about a hair clipper and beard trimmer, this all-in-one tool is so versatile to use. The thing that we like about it is the powerful motor that delivers thorough cut even with the thickest hair. At the same time, the teeth on the blades ensure that it can remove hair and beard without causing pain. You can use for all types of hair with both men and women, even children, which is so convenient. On top of that, this professional clipper has extremely long battery life that lasts up to 5 hours per charge. You will know when to recharge with the LED display that shows the battery percentage. This hair clipper is very ergonomic and comfortable, and it comes in a complete set for barbers. Since it is one of the best professional clippers with hundreds of purchases and positive reviews, you will not regret choosing it. At number 2, we have the professional hair clippers and trimmer. Every piece of attachment in this set is to ensure the most accurate and perfect results every time for you. With this profession clipper, you will be able to achieve sharp and smooth hair cutting and trimming with ease. The awesome thing about this option is that it comes with taper lever left. That allows you to change the closeness between the comb lengths with ease. That way, you will be able to get the perfect fade and blend just the way you like. Another thing that we like about this option is that this professional clipper features the durable all-metal housing. You can trust that it will not break or crack easily at all, while the ergonomic handle provides great comfort. This one comes in a package that includes 12 accessories, and everything is all set for you. With both performance and durability along with price, this is one high-quality set to have in mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the adjustable blade hair clipper. Adjustable blade is one great function to have in most of the best professional clippers. That is because it allows you to use the tool to cut and trim at your preference with ease. You can easily adjust its blade from fine to coarse with different sizes just the way you like. Plus, with the powerful motor of this clipper, there is no hairstyle that you cannot make. Not to mention the ergonomic design, using this hair clipper is so easy and convenient. The unique thing about this professional clipper is that it comes with the thumb control side switch. That way, you will be able to use this tool with just one hand with ease. We like how durable and lightweight this professional clipper is, and we think you will like it too. You should check it out. Hundreds of users recommend this option as one of the best professional clippers. Let's see if you find this option interesting too. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.